everybody, welcome back to my channel. I do hope you guys are having a great day or great night depending on when you're watching this video. What I wanted to do is actually use a planned amount to budget with before putting in my actual amount. So I don't really know what my first paycheck for January is going to be, so what I'm doing is just budgeting off a smaller amount just to see if it works out. If I have more cash, then we know that we can use that extra cash for somewhere else. And we could also adjust everything once I know my actual amounts. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't already hit that red subscribe button or that notification bell, go ahead and do so. That way you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you're already subscribed and you keep coming back to my channel, thank you, thank you, thank you. What I wanted to start doing is doing shout outs for the first person that comments on my video. So I've already checked my previous video and I'm just going to insert a clip here. And as we can see, it is Alicia from Hands and Bands. Shout out to her. If you haven't already purchased one of her scratch offs from her Etsy shop, definitely check it out. Mine is sitting in my cart and I am going to purchase it soon. So definitely check out her channel because she is very funny, especially with her tiny hands and tiny fingers that she be using. Definitely check her out. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to zoom you guys in. And as you can see, I have already gotten started. When it comes to work, I think when it comes to the first paycheck, and I may be completely wrong, but I think I will at least get $1,150. When it comes to extra, I'm really not sure about that amount, so I'm just going to put 200, which gives us a total of $1,350. When it comes to offering would come from this paycheck right here. Offering that I would send to my sister would be $115. And that means that the budget income is not $1,200, but let's see what it is. $1,350 minus equals $1,235. So let's go ahead and make an adjustment for the 50th time. So now that we know how much money we are working with, which is $1,253, let's go ahead and write our expenses down. When it comes to the expenses, these are the actual amounts. So when it comes to AT&T, I'll just slide the calculator out the way. So AT&T, that bill is $60. When it comes to NES, which is Nashville Electric Service, that bill is not too bad, $93.91. When it comes to Vanderbilt, which is my medical bill, Vanderbilt is $60. When it comes to rent, and we'll just do half rent at a time, so $382.50. When it comes to February bills, since I only want to contribute $200 for the month, I'm only going to put $100. When it comes to others, that amount will stay blank unless something changes. So let's go ahead. Sorry guys. I was scratching my head and ended up hitting everything. So let's see how much the bills are. So we got 60, 93, 91, 60, 382.50, and $100, which is $696.41 is the total for the bills. $696.41. And let's see how much we have left. So $696.41 minus equals this amount here. So $538.59 is what's left. and I'll just write that down. And I see you all, I'm pretty sure you all are wondering, what the heck is that flickering? So it could be a ghost in here, but there's something going on with my light. I don't know what it is. It's plugged in. It's been working fine all day, but it does have its moments. So there could be a ghost in here. I don't know. Spirits, are you in the room? Are you? Let's continue. So we have 538.59, which is what we're working with when it comes to cash envelopes and savings. So when it comes to cash envelopes for food, now I'm not sure if this is going to work out, but we're going to attempt. That's all we can do. And let me just zoom you guys in. When it comes to food, we want to do 150. When it comes to laundry, we want to do 20. When it comes to giving, we want to do 5. When it comes to spending, we want to do 15. When it comes to household things, we want to do $10. And when it comes to gin, which is just in case, we want to do $20. So let's add that up. Wait a minute, we're adding the wrong section. So 150, 25, 25, and 20. Wait, am I missing one? Nope. Maybe I just can't add. That's possible. So 150, 25, 15, 10, and 20. Oh, crap. Okay. So I did it again. I completely forgot about gas, y'all. That's why it's like this. So when it comes to gas, we're going to do $40, and I'll just fix these later. So now that's right. So $260 for cash envelopes, and I'll just put this down here, $260. So let's see what we got left. So we had $538.59, and we're going to subtract $260. That leaves us with $278.59 for savings and support. See, Kris, I didn't forget. I'm putting it in the budget. So now we know that we're working with $278.59. Let's go ahead and put this cash where it needs to go. So I don't know why I grabbed that. So when it comes to as if, let me zoom. I can zoom you guys in now. Much more. When it comes to as if I had a car. If you all seen my last video, which I will link somewhere up there, you saw at the end, if you actually watched to the end, I'm pretty sure some of you didn't, but for the ones that did, saw where I showed my savings for Kris Budget bi-weekly savings challenge, and I was talking about why I named it as if I had a car. I said I named it as if I had a car because if it was anything else, then it probably wouldn't happen. And y'all know that I am quick to cancel a savings fund really quick. So as if I had a car is going to get another $190. So 538.59 minus 260 gives us $278.59 to work with. So we already is using $190. That means we have $88.59 to work with. So where is this money going? So let's see what can we do? What can we send money to? What is going to get some cash? So first, when it comes to the $8.59, we are going to send that to Roth, which would be a extra payment. So now we have 80 bucks left. And yeah, my nails look terrible. I'm probably a part of the what they say on YouTube, the raggedy nail crew, but it's okay. When it comes to buy me a coffee, we are going to do 10 bucks, and we'll just take that away. When it comes to car maintenance, it's definitely getting 10 bucks. When it comes to medical, stuff is falling. When it comes to medical, it's getting 10 bucks. So 10 bucks to medical. When it comes to travel, let's go ahead and do 10 bucks. Now everything is pretty much getting 10 bucks. So we have $40 left, which you all can't see. So we have $40 left. When it comes to the rest of the cash, we're going to give random savings $10. When it comes to Operation Move, we're going to do $5. When it comes to Valentine's Day, we're going to do $10. So we're going to subtract 15 and have $15 left. So what's next? What else can we put some cash into? We could do, sorry guys, we could do $5 for Christmas. And now we have $10 left. What should get the money? Let's see. So we have birthday, which I don't have to have any more money because I do have a good amount. When it comes to month ahead, let's do $5. And let's do another $5 for vacation. So let's see if this is all added up correctly. So we have 290, 10, 10, 10, 5, 10, 5, 10, 15. So we have $278.59. And let's just go through and do the math. So if I bring this back, and if I zoom out some, so we had 538.59 minus 260, and we had 279.59, 10, 20, 30, 15, 15. Boom. So this amount right here is incorrect. Okay. Let's go ahead and fix it. So now we have a zero base budget. And let me do this. 279.59. So that's it for the budget until I get paid and be able to put my actual numbers down. So this is the planned amount. We're working with $1,350. Take $115 for offering. We have $1,235. When it comes to expenses, those expenses are $696.41. When it comes to cash envelopes, it's $260. Savings is $279.59, which gives us a zero base budget.